Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, the thumbnail for this video, where you see the young lady crying, somebody, a Wolar, that was from 2017. That was in Clarendon. And she was crying because she lost her father in a triple murder. And in that incident, the then superintendent that was in charge of the era, her name is Vendolyn Cameron Powell, right? She was in charge back then, and she was saying that the culture of retaliation is very strong in Clarendon. As soon as something happened, the police them immediately start preparing for you to say somebody dead back right away, right? And me know people might say, well, that's Jamaica as a whole, but you know, in certain places they might plan and strategize, but and then they might come back in a week or a month's time. In a Clarendon, as soon as it happen, them can't make a day pass, right? And then they retaliate. That was 2017. Now, in 2020, right, 2020 almost done, we're hearing that in the space of 24 hours, about 8 people get shot, 5 dead. We could talk about the first incident, because the first incident, right, 6 people. In one day or in one night, 6 people end up get shot up and 3 dead. And 1 out of the 3, right, a woman, you have to hear, oh, she ended up losing her life. I could describe it, but I better hear it from the superintendent mouth himself, right? Superintendent Christopher Phillips. I'm going to explain to you how this woman ended up in the tree. Check this out.
3 men entered the community and started to ask persons for a bike that went missing. The first 2 men that were killed were accused of knowing where the bike is. Those persons were basically at their gate when the 3 men came up, robbed the persons there and asked about a bike. They were determined to find that bike. Basically, the mother who was there with her children came out on the veranda not recognizing what was happening and just questioned what was happening. The next thing you know, she was shot. She later died. It is really sad what happened, and as the police, we're going to be out looking for these men.
You hear that? So, this woman just step out her yard to go inquire. She just walk out her yard to go see what go on. Hear what go on, go to hear some noise and step out. And the last step out she ever make in her life. Just like that. Just like that, right? And reading the early reports, right, according to the news sources so far, they're saying that the man them come in there ask the bike, right, and they end up drop down 2 man and start the man bike, the man no bike there, right? In my opinion, this is probably a smoke screen. Based on how them 2 youth or based on how them a deal with the 2 man them and them come so bilious and thirsty for blood. I don't know if all that is about a bike, right? Because you know 87s love use them strategy, right? Them come and them tell you, them shout on top of them voice about a fake motive, right? Yo, where the phone the way your thief from me? Where the phone the way your thief from me? And them shout on top of them voice, everybody can hear. So afterwards people say, no, say me use a phone and take a door, then time that something completely different. So I don't know if I really bike thing cause all of this, right? By the time the smoke clear, 3 people dead. And the same Clarendon there, in the same night, right? Man them shoot up one car, pregnant woman end up get shot, right? Luckily it appears she might pull through, right? Have to just hope for the best. Man end up get shot and have to drive themselves to escape, right? Drive to the hospital. This is madness. Some people think to themselves, well, it's a bad night. Just chalk it up as a bad night in Clarendon. But the man never done yet. Because the following day, which is yesterday, depending on when you hear this video, 2 more people end up losing life. A man and a woman. And the early reports are these 2 people are related to somebody who carried out the earlier attack. They attacked the previous day. So, can't catch Quaco, you catch him what? So them they catch the man them, you know. So you see the man them will carry out the initial rampage, right? And let me say the incident with the pregnant woman, right, and the two man and the woman. We don't know if it's the same people carry it out, right? But the actual killing, somebody who carry out that killing, the man then go back or kill them relative. Two people lose them life, man and a woman. Just like that. Just like that. So I can look on the two-star people them. I can look on the people them who, because they know traditionally people say, when they're dead people say, well, oh well, the fact that this man come for you must mean say you did or something. So I can look on some of these deaths. The one them regarding the bike, because they will accuse the man them say, them take the bike. Right. Let's say, alright, them two man they did indeed take bike and a really bike argument go on. Right. What about the woman? What about the woman whose fear only crime according to 87 laws, was she go inquire what go on in front of the yard? Dead. What about the people them who did the next day? Right. The man and the woman whose for them crime was being related to somebody who supposedly take part in the earlier attack. When me tell you say life no cost nothing at Jamaica. Jamaican lives don't matter. Whether you want to be 6-year-old, 10-year-old, 81-year-old, pregnant, you don't even have to have no foot. You don't need nothing, it don't matter. As far as 87s are concerned, Jamaican lives don't matter. All you have to do is step out of your yard and say, walk one out there so. Or push out your neck and see walk one. And that's it, funeral plan. All you have to do is just relate it to somebody. What are the things that you might not even know about? No matter how you then catch. Funeral plan. Oh, when you walk with your boyfriend too, him can get it too. Theme family a plan funeral too. Just like that. Just like that. As I said, these are early reports. You're going to find out what go on. Right, further on. Clarendon hot like fire. This is nothing new, obviously, a long time, me paying effort with in place. Remember, when the 6 man then they get mashed up. Right? When they constantly I say most wanted list. Clarendon hot long time, yes. But there's no say. When somebody meet a drop out, and you see people compound the TV and compound the radio and compound the newspaper and compound the IG and telling you say and post a picture where they did 87 and tell you say, oh, in a school one time I never have one pencil and him lend me pencils and then him lend me one sharpener, a good youth. You know, if you understand the type of people what them are mourned for. People who just can you push out your head and go inquire what go on, then kill people. Kill woman who them claims to them love, because the way them love claims to them love woman. Right. Then they hesitate to shut them up though. All the time them pregnant. Not even baby in a belly or baby in a breast can save certain people. And this is why I've always found it fascinating anytime I see woman back criminals. This is why the kerosene is such a bizarre character in the whole crime industry, Because you would assume that the kerosene, even though we know she's not business about man, but you would assume the kerosene and the potential kerosene would see 87th Street woman and despise them. You would think them with this, but instead they're drawn to them. And them are the first to come tell you the 2 good deeds where the 87 do. And them are the first. So the woman up on your screen. Right. That's her. Our family are planning funeral now. I forgot plan funeral. Her name is Janet Mundell Reeves. Right. Just like that. And the next day, man and woman dead. Right. people them saw retaliation for the earlier shooting, right? Because them related to somebody who the people them saw them carry out the shooting before. I don't know what it's going to take, right, for Jamaicans truly turn them back upon criminals. Even when a 2 day, cause when something like this happen, feel like a 2 day, you see people jump up. The police need to do this and we need to get harsh upon gunman and we need to, and zero tolerance, and if police catch with gun them need to stop lying. We don't believe you because you only set of people you don't know and don't like. You only want police to get out criminals who you not rate, criminals who not entertain you, criminals who are not popular. Stop it. Stop it, we don't believe you. Jamaican society and culture is the perfect condition for criminals. This is why I'm talking about acidic. Remember when I first started bringing up the word acidic, I used it in reference to food and disease. You see, when the body is acidic or too acidic, it's the perfect breeding ground for disease. Right. This is why, you know, your traditional doctors and them people that talk about eating foods that are alkaline and them things. Right. Because an acidic environment is perfect for breeding illness, disease, virus, etc. That's why I said Jamaican society is acidic, because it's the perfect breeding ground. The conditions are perfect. We breed so much 87s as I said, we have a conveyor belt. We must have 6 get licked down one time in a Clarendon, 6, and it had no impact. So we are going to kill 6 a day? I don't know. And the fascinating part about all of this is that, incredibly, somehow, at this point in the year, crime is actually down. Incredible, right? There is a 2% decline compared to the same period last year. I see that on RGR. Right? I'm going to check it out for yourself. 2% decline. Last year at this point it was 1278 and right now it's 1260. The way them 87s are going, it look like the one broke the record for last year. Remember I was saying if we can get it under 1300, we can say, well, little progress make. But at this rate, 1260, let's call it 2 more weeks left, and if them kill 5 in a 24 hours, can easily reach 1300 at this rate. 2% decline, it sure don't feel like it. Incredible. And you know, so there's going to be more retaliation for the retaliation, cause so it go. Because the 87s them, right? Or the 87 we used to theme family get dead out of retaliation. You are gonna know, so, alright, I go for your family. Because it's hard for 87s to catch each other, you know. This is what people don't realize, you know. It's hard for 87s to catch each other because them the dad them yard like in a night time come to them now come out in a taxi after work and walk at them yard. But you know who have routines they can study easier? Normal, law-abiding people who just talk about them business. I don't know. I'll say it again. Jamaican lives don't matter. Not to Jamaicans. Not to Jamaicans. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, go live. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.